Lawmakers expect to hear directly from the man who decided which portions of the Mueller report Americans could read and which portions were blacked out. Before releasing the redacted version, Attorney General Barr held a news conference in which he stressed Mueller's bottom-line findings.
The Russian government sought to interfere in our election process. But thanks to the special counsel's thorough investigation, we now know that the Russian operatives who perpetrated these schemes did not have the cooperation of President Trump or the Trump campaign.
Barr also put forth narratives favorable or sympathetic to President Trump.
As he said from the beginning, there was in fact no collusion. There is substantial evidence to show that the president was frustrated and angered by his sincere belief that the investigation was undermining his presidency, propelled by his political opponents, and fueled by illegal leaks.
Democrats seethed, accusing America's top law enforcement officer of acting like an attorney for the president.
Unfortunately, Attorney General Barr is compromised and essentially has decided to manipulate the interpretation of the report rather than making sure that the American people have a chance to get a transparent look at it.
Republicans came to Barr's defense.
The thought that Bill Barr at age 69, his second tour as Attorney General, would do anything to tarnish his own image or reputation is completely ridiculous.
The Mueller report documented multiple instances where Trump may have acted to obstruct justice, but did not conclude the president actually did so as a criminal matter. Democrats say congressional probes must go on.
Many in the Trump orbit, including Donald Trump himself, openly sought to benefit from and even encouraged Russia's interference in our election. The president and his team then repeatedly lied to the American people and tried to cover up these reckless and criminal activities.
But Democrats appear split on whether and how fast to initiate impeachment proceedings against the president. By contrast, Republicans are united in calling for Congress and the nation to focus on other matters.
Which means no collusion, no obstruction, and I think generally people are ready to move on.
Barr is scheduled to testify before both the Senate and House Judiciary Committees, although doubts surfaced about his appearance before the House panel. The Justice Department reportedly objects to the committee's intention to allow staff attorneys to question the Attorney General. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.